Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Last week we get a confirmed signal to sell Pango. Let's dive in. All right, guys. I hope you watch all my previous videos about a Pango, because if you watch it, you can fix the great profit, because based on initiation accumulation pump model, we bounce it from just amazing touch of the best level to buy, and here we get a rejection at the zone of fixation profit. Here's what's a fixation profit, and here's a fixation profit. I believe the Pango will hit new all-time high again and go over than 6 cents for sure, but after kind of maybe dip correction on the chart. Crypto bubbles, now the pump talking in top performers, LTC in top performers, but there is no Pango, because Pango now still in a overbought. Here's what overbought zone, here's a bought zone, and we need to see the Pango a little bit lower, at least in the middle, or even just better in oversold zone again, but not dump too much on a chart. So I don't think so. We will drop once again to some of this zone of interest on a monthly time frame. It's 1 cent 41, and now basically we just added 3 cents. So is it possible? So we're gonna dump from this area like 58%? Basically, yes, everything possible in crypto. Do I believe in this one? Honestly, not. Globally, I think in August would be good to see the correction to this block. Let's mark like a premium discount to 50% of this monthly range. So this is what I wish to see. It's a drop to 2 cents 24, and this will be more than okay to accumulate Pango again if you believe in this project. So 0.5 level by FIP, it will be around the test of 23 level by FIP of initiation accumulation pump model. So to buy now or not, it's only up to you guys. So can we go higher from this current prices? Yes, of course we can, but I still believe the first 2 weeks of August will be bearish one for the alts. The most positive case if we just hold the line in this tiny range and go higher, but I don't think so, and I think we'll go and land to this area. I don't believe we're gonna drop to this area, but everything possible. Even this move possible again to form like global double bottom on a Pango, but based on seasonality, based on the timing, what do we what do we get now? I don't think so. We'll drop that low. It more looks like now we start forming some cup and handle, and the size of this cup and handle, guys, exactly will be over than here. So yes, around number 10 cents. 10 cents is more than real to see for the Pango, and I'm more than sure we will see. So just a matter of time when. So let's double check now, guys, with my custom indicator set other signals. What do we get now? So we saw the signal to sell, on the weekly. Of course, now it's was like confirmed signal, and even after the daily weekly candle close, you could open position and get like 3% or 4% trade, but of course nobody open position on the weekly time frame. At least we need to see some signals on the daily, like confirmation. So here was a sell, June 24. After that, confirmed signal, June 28, drop. From that signal on the daily, we dumped like 29%, but of course on the 4 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, you could even open position here. So it was like, yes, obvious 29% dump on the 1 hour time frame. You get a better entry for that position. Take a look how the price respect the level here every single time. Now we try to consolidate in this range, but I don't think so. We'll go like this one. No, I think we will see more drop like one of these levels. So first of all, it's a 0 level, 2 cents 86, 2 cents 18. Guys, of course you can't buy every single token, but if you used my free just educational video how to work with initiation accumulation pump model, you could buy in here. It's impossible to accumulate all of these tokens, right? But if you accumulate it now, guys, it's okay zone for fixation profit, because Pango already pumped it over than, I guess, 1000%. So that guy's still in profit like 700%. So based on the daily time frame trade on indicator, there's no bullish signal. not even a buyback. So at least last time, sell, 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 buyback. Here was 4 signals to buyback. I guess the buyback signal will appear around 2 cents. When everybody will start screwing, we're going to 0. This was the accumulation time periods. This is distribution. Distribution, sales on direction indicator. So guys, now no bullish signal at the 3 cents 46 after the token pump 1000% gains. Globally, of course, guys, I believe the Pango will hit again new all-time high just because of marketing, just because of good marketing around this token. Now we can see on a daily everything overhype it. This was a disbelief and capitulation. Need to wait something similar. Weekly time frame, total euphoria. I don't think so. It was the top of the top and we're going down. No, I don't think so. But yes, it's risky now. Invest in this token. Weekly time frame 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row. The whales fix a profit. Now we're at the top. No money inflow, and there's can't be some money inflow because we at the top. Here's a last money inflow and June 22. After that, only money outflow. So we need to wait once again the money inflow on the daily. Now nothing, guys. I recommend you to use the indicator set and turn on the notifications. Last indicator, guys, it's take profit. Now it sounds weird, you know, but I'm more than sure we're gonna retest 2 cents 82. It's a exit line above on the daily time frame. Take profit about it's 2 cents 50. Buy line now at this moment 1 cent 27. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to the buy line, but I think we will drop to the buy line on a 12 time frame. So the same story will be here. So it can be even this drop. So this is a way for the Pango, and I want to check the liquidation heat map now for the Pango. Let's double check on CoinGlass Pango on the Binance. Let's double check the 1 week liquidations. 24-hour 1 week. Of course, the main liquidations above, you know, but we can go and grab liquidity where we leave it under. A lot of people, you know, open the short positions definitely, and people wait the liquidation of that short position, but a lot of people still in long, and like you can see 2 cents 87, 2 cents 87. So the test of a 0 level, there's a liquidation like 1.35 billion liquidation on the Pango. If we double check 24-hour, I guess yes, a little bit lower. So guys, I think the market makers will hunt liquidation, and you know that's 1.35 billion liquidations can drop with a weak candle even lower. So just up to you guys, accumulate Pango or not. For me now, zero interest to hop into this token now. So I recommend you guys, first of all, go and check the first video about a Pango what I posted here, and just an educational purpose, watch the tutorial. And guys, there was never the good moment to buy the token when we trade it inside the distribution zone. If you would like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.